Hey girl with the big foot.
Hey!
Listen what me said.
No!
Your foot similar to national bread. Hey big foot.
Hey!
Go up on the bed.
Oh!
Your foot take up 2/2 of the spread. Hey big feet.
Yeah!
Me know say you see it. Your big toe need go 2 row of seat. Big foot.
Yeah!
Your license for these. Heavy man a run when you step in the street. Hey big foot.
Man, when I just mad some I go my hair for work later. It's what I'm feeling right now. Cool. Me tell you morning, noon, minutes, seconds, night and day say must wear clothes. But you don't listen to me. Let me ask you something. You think I have time to come off of work and I take care of you because you don't want to wear clothes for your back for avoid a cold? Eh? Me don't know how you go manage, you know. Me don't know how you go manage. But you have to deal with it by your damn self. But man, me wear jacket and them things there. As a matter of fact. Where I go? Where me where I go? You can't be my Uber driver. Me I go sit down in the back and get chauffeur by you. Cause me now get sick.
Yes. Yeah, me just come from the doctor, you know. Me just get a doctor's note. If you leave you, a relationship and now go work. Yeah, me just get a doctor's note. Yeah, now go work. And another thing too is like, the other day I go in the bathroom to take a shit, the toilet full of water, dog. And when that I go, that now go work. You see me? Every day I come and I see food on the table. I can't bother. So the relationship is at a standstill right now. I go cut. Every day I get up everything put away. Eh? Bed spread up. No, sir, I don't live like this. So yeah, I cut, you see me? Yeah, man, I like that.
Listen, people, all I am saying is wear your size. If you don't know your size, go get your measurements done so you can know your size. There's nothing wrong with this girl. She have big breasts. Cool. But you cannot wear certain things because they won't fit you and it will make you look like a fool. See with me? I know that skinny fit and slim fit is not for me. Why? Because I am not skinny and slim. So that now go fit. No, she knows that she have 2 big breasts, but yet she try put on a little dress. It look like you have a body on your chest. We call your bumper chest. Ass crack chest. Like you have 2 airbag on your chest. It look like your breast them a try break free from prison. Who know the song where them sing about? My girl tuck in your belly. Well, me I go remix it. My girl tuck in your titty. Girl tuck in your titty. Short, you look like she have 2 bald head man stuck in the dress. Seriously, people, just wear your size, man. Wear your size and don't come out here and look like an idiot.
You see that one here? That one here for the girl there. Whoa. Run go over this. Run. Listen to me song. Run come back here so. Wine for your man. Pop off your foot. Pop off your hand. Mash up your stove. Fling with the frying pan. Yeah. Go for a yard. Link up your friend. Backside down. Pick her up. Box her again. Yeah.
Jesus! Now who the come near my youth? Jesus! Boy can't sleep, is it? Jesus! My man tells a call, my name is Vain, brother. I'm here that can't sleep, so you come and say make a bumper nice, my youth. Bumper lad. I never say I want to stay some of you. Yeah, I did. Alright, no, dog, they are my youth. The fish and bird in there. Oh, dog, me here, dog, I want you, dog. Watch your dog. Let him come link if you have money now, because you don't know no work now, really. I'm not certain of that. And bet him hot right now in a BOR over there. My man Judas, I'm stay some idea, my youth. Dog, you know, say big man, dog. I never really got your father, my youth, because I never see you no trick yet, I never see you fly or walk on water or something like that. And you say my father, you never yet see my youth. I didn't think the whole thing for the dog. You really want to do something? You really want to do something, dog? Yeah, what's that? Wait, so you want to prove to yourself I got pitney? What's that style? Dog, now take a much of the clocks in my youth.
Tell everybody. Yeah, you can tell everybody. Go ahead and tell everybody. I'm the man. Soon come back here.
Again. I go on Dave, you know, says a flyers more and give you away in Brooklyn July 3rd in Brooklyn there. Now your friend have to roll out, you know. So no scam, my dear. That's so you look good, man. Yo, me have to let you. If me have you, me get all of the money from the dance. I don't care about uniform, man. Me have to take the door and the bar money, I get everything.
Dog, what you do?
I go, me done.
I look more, man, brother. My youth, what you do?
Me done, you know, says a flyers, me not give you for my party. Oh, I in Brooklyn.
I in Brooklyn. I want to keep it.
Yeah, man, I will keep it, man. I mean, my friend, you see me.
Babes, remember where me I tell you about the party, they say everybody talk about it, man. That make sure you know one idiot spot to not keep the party in this year.
Yeah, man, I want big place we get, man, when you have Honolulu.
Well, here what?
That's left 2 tickets with my woman. You see me I say? You can go and chat to her too, you know, but you see car. Here's up my price. And babe, see if you can line up a one cabana to him. More hot girl, I'm have to pay for that. Oh, dear.
Yeah, I'm the belly man this day.
That's it. That's a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please I ask you to like and subscribe and share. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video and tell me what you would like to see me do next. Until next time, it is your boy, Camille Clark. Peace.